Hello guys, welcome to the 19th session of the ASP.NET Web API 2. In this session we will test our API that we have created in a previous session with the AJAX request. For this, let's switch to the Visual Studio. Let's add. So far I am going to add the new. So far I am editing the new HTML page with the title show all. Within that page, first of all, we need to add the reference to the jQuery which was present in the script folder. Drag and drop the link to the HTML page. I am creating a button. Here ID btn show and the text show data. And one div with the ID result. And now I am going to write the jQuery code for sending the AJAX request. Opening the script tag. Specify the script type, that is a JavaScript. When the document is ready, we need to call the anonymous function. On which we have write the our handler for the btn. So on click, we need to call that function in which we are originally sending the AJAX request by the jQuery. Within that function, we need to specify the configuration for our AJAX request. Start with the URL. For obtain the URL, click on the solution, select the project and press the F4, which will switch to the property window, from which select the URL. Within the single quote, paste it and append the API/controller name, that is employee, semicolon, the type of request that we are going to fire, that will be a get in our case, and the data type that will be written in the our case, it will be a JSON, and write the handler for the error. When the error occurs, that anonymous function will be a call, which will show the error message in the our result div. And error encounter, and create the success function too. Success function which receive the data. When we are receiving the data successfully, then we need to loop through the each record and display the name of the employee as well as the department within the braces. For that, we need to first of all create a variable that hold the or formatted data, where formatted data equal to empty string, and loop through each data that pass to the anonymous function, which take the index and value as a parameter. For each value, we need to append it to the formatted data. I am using backquote, dollar sign, curly braces on and off, value dot name, space, the department name within the braces. For that dollar, curly braces, value dot department, and use the br tag for a new line and a semicolon. After the loop, we need to set the formatted data to the our result div. For that, use the jQuery selector dot html and specify the formatted data. Let's build our solution. Let's click on the show data. It's slow the undefined in the case of the department name, and the braces are come in the next line. Let's modify it. Let's write the department name instead of the department and complete the bracket after that instead of the new line. Save it and reload our page, and let's click again. You can see that it returned the proper output. If you click on the inspect element and open the network tab, when you click on the show data, it will send the XHR, and from that you can notice that our response is that which will be populated by our jQuery. First of all, we need to use the jQuery's AJAX function for sending the request, in which we need to specify the URL from which we need to use the AJAX function of the jQuery, in which we need to specify the URL from where we are going to retrieve the data, and specify the method type, that is get, post, put or delete, and specify the return data type, that can be either JSON, XML or the plain text too. Within the error function, we can write a code to handle our error. Within the success, we are going to manipulate our data. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.